Okay, so this is like the backside of Hyrule, and you see that tower in the distance? That's Ganon's tower, like that's the final part of the game. We're not even at the middle of the game yet, but we have access to this area, and if we could reach the loading zone way over there, then you could just simply enter Ganon's tower. But basically there's this barrier, this thing right here, it's stopping you. It's actually quite a strong barrier. It goes all the way up, and it's a cylinder encircling the entire castle. Anywhere outside of the cylinder, I get infinite knockback. There's a glitch you can do where you pull the Wind Waker on the same frame that your damage and vulnerability ends. I've canceled taking damage. I still can't walk forward even though I'm past the barrier. Now why is that? There's actually an invisible wall in addition to the damage barrier. The invisible wall reaches all the way up, it reaches pretty far down, although it does end. If I started on the entire other end of the castle and did a zombie hover and I mashed frame perfectly, I wouldn't even get close to clearing this thing. If there was a door in Hyrule, if there was a door anywhere, you could get storage, store the door, and then you could just walk right through the barrier. But there's no door, so you can't do that. Therefore, there is no way to cross this barrier and get to Ganon's castle without actually breaking it. So yeah, if you ever find a way past that, it would be the Holy Grail.
Once we get everything set up for it, we just drop a bomb behind us, and Link gets pushed through the barrier, essentially, because the displacement that happens when the bomb is dropped on top of Link is enough displacement to successfully clip us past the barrier here.